Okay there guys, my name is William and welcome to Zero Progress tutorial. This lesson we will create a validation of email and username, and this part will be a closing of the user sign up development project. So if you haven't watching my previous video, click at the right corner here so you'll get a part step by step of develop this project. Continue on previous lesson, when our sign up has been success, the password has been saved in database will unhide. In that case, we will remove the MD5 on the password here. The question is why I should do that. If we put the MD5, no matter if the user has signed up with adding a password or not, the info would still goes to the database. Don't get it? Let's practice. We add the MD5 on here. Save, and we refresh. We're gonna sign up without a password. And we sign up, and as you see, in that case the info has been saved to database. Check in the database, and here it is, and here it is. So what is the solution? We are back to delete the MD5 on here, and we get the password variable on here, and we get MD5 here, and select the password variable. Hide the password from database. Save, and we refresh. We're gonna try it back. Admin30, admin30, admin, oh sorry, at gmail.com, admin30. The password we empty. If we sign up, okay, if we skip the password, it will mention the user. And now we complete the data and sign up. 1, 2, 3, ABC, and sign up. Now check the database. Finally, the password has been hidden by the encrypt code. Now we're gonna add username validation first, and we start making the database cross-check the info between of the user input and all of the data which has been saved in user table. Okay, now we give a variable name in here and give query. We give the variable name is query. We use mysql query. The connection.php name, select, sorry, select from user table where username and the variable of username. semicolon. MySQL query function is meant by connection to database and select from user table, find the username column, and make and take an username variable. Checking the user database table. Okay, copy the notif require URL here, and we use as if on here. And we use mysql numRows, and the variable is query, and the value is 1. We change the not required to username. Okay, MySQL numbers will ask from query to checking the information data, and if the data already exists, the query value is 1. If the value is 1, the username is already accessed. We are heading to index.php. We copy here and we use as if on here, and the notif we change the value to username, and we change the echo on here, username already exists. Save and refresh. Okay, we use the username on here is admin, admin, double N, password, it's up to you, and we sign up. Okay, finally the username validation is finished. Now all we must to do just do the same thing like before. We copy here, and the variable name one more y, share with email, copy here, copy, paste, change here with email, double y, email, okay, save, copy, email, save. Okay, we try to fill the username and email by using the same one on here, admin30. Okay, let's get started. admin30@gmail.com, admin30, sign up. The username is already exists, and we change to 30. email already exists. 32, and we finish to save to the database. Finally, the username validation is finished. Okay, now the data has been saved to database, and here it is. Okay, the user sign up development has been over, and the project source code are available on my GitHub. Check in link description. If there are no resistance, we're gonna make a user sign in for the user who has been signed up. Thanks for watching guys, and please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and click the little notification bell as well so that you don't miss updates. Leave the comment question or request down below, and I'll see you guys next time on Zero to X tutorial. Cheers.